We're learning about photosynthesis. This is the. This is the skin layer of the leaf, which also has spots that are the stomata.
What's the skin layer called?
Epidermis. Epidermis. Next we have the spongy layer, which is like the main part of the leaf. It takes in all the stuff. The stuff it takes in is H2O, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. And you transform it all, and it makes sugar, oxygen, and more H2O. That is what photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis. Yay.